Friends, in today's video, we present how to study when you don't feel like it. The top 8 actionable tips to study when you are bored. Friends, do you have a big exam coming up, but you just can't seem to focus? In fact, are you feeling unmotivated and bored? But don't worry. In this video, we are going to show you the top 8 study tips and tricks to help you study even when you don't feel like it. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is try to find the reason behind lack of motivation. Sometimes lack of motivation can be caused by underlying issues such as stress, anxiety, or lack of sleep, etc. It's important to address these issues and seek help if needed. Friends, the second tip is that it's important to remember that studying doesn't have to be boring. Try studying in different locations like a library, a coffee shop, or even outside. The change of scenery can help to boost your motivation. Friends, the next step is switch up your study methods. Instead of just reading your notes, try using flashcards, creating mind maps, or taking practice quizzes. This will help to keep you engaged and prevent boredom. Friends, the fourth tip is it's also important to set goals and rewards for yourself. Break down your studying into manageable chunks and set a goal for each session. And once you reach that goal, reward yourself with something that you enjoy. Whether it's a break, a snack, or even watching an episode of your favorite show. Friends, the fifth tip is form a study group or find a study buddy. Not only will it make studying more fun and less lonely, but you'll also be able to discuss the study material and ideas in detail. And it would also help to keep everyone motivated. Friends, the next step is listen to music. Listening to music in the background can help you to focus and block out distractions. You can make your own playlist on YouTube with the songs or music which you find enjoyable. Friends, the seventh tip is use positive affirmations. Writing or reciting positive affirmations can help to boost your confidence and motivation. Some examples can be, I am capable of achieving all my goals. I will succeed in this exam, etc. And friends, the eighth tip is take a nap. Sometimes all you need is a little nap to refresh your mind and boost your motivation. A short nap of about 20 to 30 minutes can help you to re-energize, and you can be more productive when you wake up. So friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on how to study when you don't feel like it. The top 8 actionable tips to study when you are bored. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.